Hello, this is Alicia, back with the Desert Winds and How to Knitting Guide. Now, recently you've just learned how to knit. Now I'm going to show you how to purl. Okay? Purling is just like knitting, only it's the opposite, because you're working on the opposite side. So instead of having your yarn going behind the needle, you're actually going to have it coming out front. That's a little hard to see. But I want the needle to go through the hole, coming as if it was coming from behind going forward. I wrap it around. Again, use your fingers if you need to, but if you can get constant contact between needle and needle, it should hold it in place. So I bring the needle from the front to the back and then allow the stitch to fall off. I go from the back going up into it forward. Have yarn go around it, although it doesn't have to go all the way around. You never have to do that, but just around, and then I make contact and have it pull through. And there we go. Our nice purled row still looks like the rest of the purled rows. But if we flip it around, it's a knit row on the back side.